Hey y'all, welcome to Hydrangea Botanica. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you our magical herb, hydrangea root. So hydrangea root's often used in love magic and can be used as a replacement for Queen Elizabeth root. And it's widely known as an unhexing herb that can be worn on yourself or scattered around your house. You can burn some of this root around the house like an incense to rid the property of a jinx or a curse. You can wear it on your person inside of a mojo bag, or if you don't want a mojo bag, you can put it in a small envelope. Just sprinkle a little bit inside of an envelope, fold the envelope up, and stick it in your pocket. And if you're into candle magic, you can load your magical candles with this hydrangea root. And you can also infuse it in a magical or spiritual oil. If you'd like some of the magical hydrangea root, come on over to Hydrangea Botanica to get some. You can get it on our website at www.hydrangea.com or visit us in person at 223 Donaldson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks so much for coming to visit us today.